Okay, everyone, I'm chasing a freaking fridge right now. Catch that fridge! I don't know if you can hear the sound, but literally, like, it's like whipping its chain. That thing was about killed me, and it's like, I restarted so I could film this freaking fridge. I wish we could actually have this. Oh, crap. I wish we could actually have this fridge as a pet. I would love to have this fridge as a pet. The way it is just whipping a fridge, whipping. I'm trying to get close to it so you can hear the noises. So I gotta watch out. Like he's gonna bite my butt. Okay, run. I wanna get him up in front. Where you at, little dude? Okay, there he is. Oh, I know what fridge that is. When we first did Nick, that's the fridge that actually was glowing. And I guess he let it loose and then off it goes, banging like a maniac behind me. Acting like a crazy fridge. But I swear, that banging and all that, oh my gosh. That sounds like my horse has 20 chains. And now I'm just whipping. Dang, I think we lost him, but this is part of the quest. I wanted to show the freaking running fridge. Oh, he's coming back. Oh, Lord. Lord, I think he's on my butt. I can't see. Oh, my God. All I hear is this big old, like a bang bang. That is funny like crap. I can't even see him. Oh, my God. But wow, that was funny. Oh, there he goes. Oh, there he is. Yep, that's his fridge. His runaway dog. That was funny like crap. Nick's friend. Man, that's funny like crap. Oh my gosh. Linda. But man, that running fridge. A running fridge is something. Hang on, let me look at the map so that I know what we're looking for. Okay. Let me look on here. So let's go over here. I was looking at the map, but I can't really see the map.